Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anant Kumar Das. I have 25 plus years of experience in teaching, training, counseling, and consulting, whereby I have already delivered my teaching, training, counseling, consulting in 1000 plus institutions, 250 plus organizations in India, by covering almost 20 countries, 20 states, 300 cities, and almost mentored 1 lakh students and 50,000 teachers, trainer, faculty, executives, managers, senior managers. I'm the author of 4 books, and upcoming 8 books are coming by the end of December 2021. Let's start what we are going to offer today to the schools, colleges, institute, universities, learning centers, study center. Yes, it's a offline soft skill program for students. We are going to offer you all, we are going to introduce now offline soft skill program for students. Earlier we were doing online soft skill program for students under the banner Apeksha Online Soft Skills Education. Yes, I repeat, at Hyderabad. Apeksha Online Soft Skill Education at Hyderabad. As the meaning of Apeksha in Hindi is Umeed, and in English it is expectations. So we are going to fulfill your all expectations through offline soft skill program for students, whether you are from schools, colleges, institutes, universities, learning and study centers. I will request all the owner, management, employer of the school, colleges, institute, universities, learning centers, study centers, please introduce our program, our classes for your students, for their complete paradigm shift in their attitude, skills and perception. Let's understand why us, why you are supposed to hire us for your college, school, institute, universities. As we know very well, there are 2 types of skills available in this market all over the world. On the basis of that, students are getting hired, getting promoted, and they are getting excellence in their life. Hard skills and soft skills. As we know very well, nowadays for last 20 years, these are the 2 things which is very important. But let's understand what is hard skill and what is soft skills. Hard skills is nothing, it's very simple. It's a domain knowledge, subject knowledge, technical knowledge in the form of certificate, diploma and degrees, what all students are getting from class 1 to till PhD. Everybody, they are supposed to go through these hard skills without any fault, without any excuses, because they will have to take this hard skill. That is called IQ, and IQ gets you hired. Definitely on the basis of hard skill, you will get hired by the companies, definitely. But soft skill will get you promoted. That is EQ, emotional quotient, gets you promoted. Down the line, down the stair, after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, you will be at the top level only because of your soft skills, not because of only hard skill. Because nowadays, soft skills matters 85% in the corporate world. Corporate will prefer the student who is having awesome wow factor in terms of personality, in terms of soft skill, in terms of soft communication. Now, the very old proverb is there: IQ gets you hired, EQ gets you promoted. And once you will go through our program, first impression is the last impression. Always remember, all is well if and is well. Once you got the certification or you got the knowledge on soft skill, once you have gone through our program in soft skill, definitely your EQ will be more and far better than your IQ. On the basis of that, it might possible within 5 years you will be GM, VP, CEO of any company, any corporate, in any organization or any institutions. Let's understand now what are the benefits your school, college, institute, universities, management, owner, employer is going to get. What are the benefits students are going to get, and what are the benefits parents are going to get. That is very important. Let's understand this. Institutions means owner, employer, management. For their institutions, what the benefits they will get. Improvement in ranking worldwide or in India. improvement in ranking if any school, college, university and learning centers, study centers are always conducting seminar, workshop, classes, program on soft skill, world skill, life skill, social skills. But definitely they are getting ranking improvement in India also, worldwide also. Then once ranking will improve, definitely more admissions will be there. It's very simple. Once ranking will improve, more admissions will be there. If there will be more admission, naturally you will have an opportunity to increase fees also. You will able to get more fees also. Then more grant by UGC and AICT, approval by the UGC and AICT in terms of more aid or grant. Then professional growth for the institute. Yes, these are the 5 benefits which institutes are going to get once they introduce our soft skill program in their school, colleges, institutes and universities. Let's what students will get. First, 100% placement after our soft skill program. It's my guarantee and warranty, especially final year students, those who will go through campus recruitment training by us, by me, they will get 100% placement in any corporate organization institutions. 100%, second point, 100% individual success in terms of wow personality factor, superb and awesome etiquette, grooming, body language and Indianism. Then third, that is 100% professional success also, because now they will be or they are ready to become future managers, leaders, young CEO, young diplomats. These are the 3 most important benefits what students will get, because everybody is studying or investing in any school, colleges for career, for an awesome career, and they will get an awesome career. Then at last but not the least, parents, what they will get the benefit out of this. Parents 100% satisfaction on their investment, that is on getting return on investment. Whatever they have invested for their children, they will get return, ROI, return on investment. It will be, I think, more than 250% or 300% in terms of an awesome career if their children are getting. And second point, that is very important for parents, lifetime bonus. Once their children are getting awesome career, career means lifestyle, luxury and comforts, not job. Job everybody gets, that is rupees 10,000 to 30,000 rupees for next 20 years, 35 years. But career means super fast, you can say increment, promotion, growth, opportunities, everything you can say. Means in fine, at last we can say that complete lifestyle, luxury and comforts for your children. Thank you so much. Again, I will request all owner, management, employer of the institutions, that is school, colleges, institutes, universities, learning and study centers, please give us an opportunity at least for 1-2 days. After that you see our performance, then introduce our complete course, complete package on soft skill for our students. Thank you so much. May God bless you.